Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're diving straight into how to perform task approvals and feedback cycles in ASANA, the complete 2025 guide. Now, let's start with the first step, creating a task. In ASANA, you can create a task by clicking on the plus sign in the top bar. This step is vital because it sets the groundwork for the entire approval and feedback process. Now that we've done that, let's move on to step 2, assigning the task. You can add an assignee by clicking on the assignee field and typing in a team member's name. This helps us ensure that the task gets the attention it needs from the right person. The third step is setting a due date for the task. The reason we do this is to keep the workflow on track. You can set a due date by clicking on the due date field and selecting a date from the calendar that pops up. Now let's look at how to request task approval. Go to the Task menu, click on the More option, and choose Request Approval. This step is crucial because it triggers the approval process, notifying the right people that a task is ready for review. Once a task has been marked as ready for review, it's time for the feedback cycle, our final step. Team members can provide feedback by clicking on the comment field and typing their input. This is significant because it allows for constructive criticism and suggestions for improvement, ultimately enhancing the quality of work. Now that you've got a grasp on task approvals and feedback cycles in ASANA, it's time to put these steps into action. Remember, the key to a smooth operation lies in clear communication and efficient task management. And that's a wrap. We hope this guide will help you streamline your task approvals and feedback cycles on ASANA. Thanks for joining us, and we'll catch you in the next tutorial.